Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, it has been a very long time since I made a video. I've been busy. So, here we go. Today, I'm going to show you this thing. So let me get my camera focused here. It's one of the things that a lot of YouTubers who are starting out, even still with me, I've only been doing this since December. I'm still a newbie, still learning a lot. And you don't need to spend a lot of money. So I'm going to show you really quick. Let me get it positioned here. All right. This guy. I got this. Okay, it's called the SunPack Travel Smart 50. It is a tripod that I wound up getting from Best Buy, and it only cost me, it was $16.99. So if you're just starting out and you need something cheap for a tripod, you don't need to spend a lot of money, and you can use your old cell phone. Me, I'm using one of my old iPhone 6s because the resolution on it is perfect. So I'm gonna open this guy up and see what we got here. Let's see what $16.99 gets us. Comes in a nice little carrying bag, which is kind of nice. And I wanted to get a tripod anyway because I got sick of putting my camera on boxes and blocks of wood and ladders and everything else. So this one is supposed to be for, you can use your smartphone with it. Let's see what they give you. Take the cover off. Here's the instructions. Alright. Anybody who knows, if you use a little cheap tripod, they give you this little guy. You just pull it apart and slide your camera in there. Or your cell phone, should I say. Because most cell phones are probably more expensive than most camera phones. Or regular cameras. Alright. This is called the Universal Tripod. From SunPack. And let's see what they give you. Alright, it expands out. Which is kind of nice. Locks in. You can use it like a little short guy, or it's got 3 adapters here. You just unclip these, pull it out. There's 1. You got 2, and you got a 3rd one. Let's get all of them there and we'll see how this thing looks. Construction wise, it's not bad. It is aluminum. I mean, it's not the strongest thing on the planet. Not too bad. It's got a little bit of a wiggle, but I'm not going to complain. For $17 with taxes, it ran close to $19. So I'm not expecting a whole heck of a lot. So let me stand it up here on the floor. Rearrange my camera here. You can kind of see it. Yeah. Not a bad little thing. You got your other adjustment right here. Bring that up. Oh, it's even got you can see a nice little level right there. So you know how level you are. Let this get this. It just screws right in. Which is nice. Screw it down until you're locked in. Then you just pull it apart and put your phone in there. Turn it around. Yeah, this is... Oh yeah, it's got the other adjustment back here. Right there. You can expand it just a little higher, which is kind of nice. So yeah. For 16 bucks, or $17, $18, not really going to complain. Locks it in that way. This right here, move that up and down there, angle it any way you want. It comes in that nice little carrying case. So for basically $19, made by SunPack Travel Smart 50, because I guess it expands to 50 inches. So yeah, I'm going to take this off of here because I really don't need it. So yeah, here's all your your specifications on it, if you can see that without the reflection. So yeah, not a bad little guy. Universal tripod. 1 year limited warranty. It's small, and when it folds down, lightweight. Not going to complain. It's cheap. Not expecting it to last a long time. As long as I don't knock it over or drop anything on it, it should hold up, and it's got a nice little carrying case. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to probably make another video, post it a little bit later, and use it for one of my builds. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry it has been so long, but I've been very busy these past few months, you know, taking care of things in my home and my life and doing builds for people. I've been building a lot. So, you know, when I first started out, I did a 12-foot bar. Well, guess what? I'm making another one, another 12-foot bar. This one's not very specific like the other one. The top had to be removable for 2 sections. This one's going to be one solid bar. Then I have to make another 12-foot bar. Well, actually, not a bar, but it's going to have, you know, a 5-burner natural gas grill in it. It's going to have the cooler in it that's going to hold like 78 cans of soda or pop or beer, whatever you want to put in it. And it's going to have a removable cutting board, which will build right into it. So, yeah, when I'm doing that one, I'll film it and show you guys. Because normally I haven't been able to figure out a lot with YouTube, because I don't know all the editing software, and I'm not spending $300 or $400 on some of these guys who want you to spend, you know, that money on software from whatever guy is doing it on YouTube. I'll figure it out on my own. If I don't, I'll make the best of it. I'm sure you guys can bear with me. So thank you for being patient and waiting for another one to come out. So please hit that like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.